Good morning, children. Today I am teaching Setu Bandha. Setu Bandh means bridge course. Already you got Varnamala Akshara, how to write how many Varnamala Akshara there, and that and all I taught you. And next Barakhadi and Ginati, all you learnt, I think. Next, I am teaching this one. What is Varnamala Likho? First main is page number in the textbook. Page number 1. Here onwards I am teaching to you. First main is Varnamala Likho. Already I have given. The second main is Swar aur Vyanjanon ko pehchan kar likho. They have given like this tables. In that Varnamala swar or Vyanjanas are there. You have to be separated. Which are all swars, which are all Vyanjanakshar. That and all you have to write in this side. See children, I am giving only the answer. Second main. First main is Varnamala. You write from A to Hatar. First main. The second main is they have given like this box, puzzle box. You have to write this side answer. I will write. First one is they asked swar. Swar means you know A to aha till swar. Vyanjan from ka to ma. Here again the second line Vyanjan they told. It means Vargiya Vyanjan and Avargiya Vyanjanas are there. You have here you write Vargiya Vyanjan. Here Avargiya. You find out in this box. First they asked swar. First in first line see A, O. 2 letters are there. In the second box, da, ya, kha, cha, ta, u letter is there. So in the third box, u is there. Fourth one, and aha also there. And E also there. We'll continue here. When? In the third column, mu, aha, or e swars also there. In the fourth one, box, a, au, e, a. And fifth one, only I letter is there. In the fifth one, I am taking like this, children. See here. You check it like this. I, da, ga, Last column, ru also there. This much swaras are there. And Vyanjan, Vargiya Vyanjan, ka to ma. Here first one cha letter is there. In the first line, ka letter is there. Ma letter is there. Ka letter is there. The second column, dha, kha, cha, and ta. Here, in the third column, na, da, fa, will continue here. Svar, Vyanjan, Vyanjan. Gha, fourth column, gha letter. And fifth column, pa, nya, da, ga, cha. This one, this is Vargiya Vyanjan. Here you write Avargiya Vyanjana. Avargiya Vyanjana means what? From here ka to ma. Here from ya to ha. Avargiya. Now we will find out ya to ha letter. In first line, ma. Here ma also will come in here. In the first line, no avargiya vyanjan. In second line, ya letter is there. Ya is there. And in third line, sha is there. Sha letter is there. Fourth line, sha letter is there. And sa letter is there. In the first line, cha letter, Vargiya Vyanjan, and ka letter, and ta letter. Second line, dha, ma. Here in the second line, dha letter, kha letter, cha letter. In the third line, na letter, da letter, and fourth line, fa letter and gha letter. And fifth line, fifth box, pa letter, bha letter, fifth line. Bha letter, nya letter, da letter, ga letter, and John, like this. No need this one. I have been separated Swar, Vargiya Vyanjan and Avargiya Vyanjan. Like this you write in the box, in the answer column. Next, I'll go to third main. Here, अंतर समझो और 2 बार लिखो. The same thing. First one is ka, second one is sa in the box. Same thing here and here you write, children. Same. Here you write ka letter and sa letter. Here you write ka letter and sa letter. Like that you go to second column. There also same thing. Full same thing you write. And fourth main you write इन अक्षरों की 12 कड़ी लिखो. Third main, how they have given, like that only you write. And fourth main, 12 कड़ी. Which are all the letters? Ga, Cha, Na, Da, Bha. You write like this. You know Barakadiya, I taught you. You only write, children. And fifth main, उचित चिन्ह लगाकर लिखो. चिन्ह लगाना. फिफ्थ main, उचित चिन्ह लगाकर लिखो. Chinna means what? See, children, if they give, this is letter, where we have to use like this chinna. You cannot write means like this. For this symbol is this one. Understood? Chinna. And second one, for this we are calling bindu. The second one is like this, aha. You cannot write all the side aha, and all. Instead of you have to be right, you have to use like this chinha. And instead of aha, you use like this chinna. For this Chandra Bindu, we are calling for this Chandra Bindu. Why we are telling Chandra means moon. This is moon shape, no? For that purpose we are calling Chandra Bindu, children. I'll show you where we have to use all those things. And see, aha means here, विसर्ग कहते हैं. For this विसर्ग. While teaching Varnamala, I taught you which are all the visarga, swaragalu, anuswara, this and all. I taught you. This is visarga. Aha means. Very simple. This one. They have given the words. You have to complete that. To the help of these chinha. use this one chinna and write, complete the words, children. First one, see here, they have given ba, da, ra. Incomplete word. Using this चिन्ह you complete the word. आप लोग यह चिन्ह लगाकर देखना है which we can use for this word to complete the word. This is badara means bandar. They have given like this question. You complete bandar means ba. Use letter bindu. Here bandar like this, children. And the second one is poonch. This is incorrect word. You recorrect the word using chinna. You see here, poonch means this is correct, children. No, not wrong. Wrong word. Use this one, Chandra Bindu. Then only will complete the word. तो क्या करना है, इसके ऊपर चंद्र बिंदु लगाना है. पूंछ. देखिए, this is correct word. If I give in the test or in UT means, you write like this only, children. You practice these three chinha, then only you will be completing the words. Otherwise, you cannot. And third one, they have given duk. This is wrong. Use which chinha we have to use for this? This one, aha, visarga. Dukkha means first you write do letter, in between you have to put aha, visarga. Then only it will be completing the dukkha. Like this. The third one is Sam. They have given Sap. Which chinha we have to use for to complete the Sam? This one only. Sam word, this one. चंद्र बिंदु लगाना है. तो हम क्या करना है, सा के ऊपर चंद्र बिंदु लगाइए और कंप्लीट कीजिए. Fourth one. Next, fifth one is, actually this is angur. They have given like this. Means letter chinna we have to use to complete the word. Gur, angur. And sixth one is punaha. Pun they have given. It is incomplete the word. To complete it like this. Punaha. Punaha means two. विसर्ग चिन्ह लगाना है. यह चिन्ह लगाना है. Understood, children? Next main is sixth main. Sixth main, ra की सही मात्रा लगाओ. Ra की सही मात्रा means what? This is Ra means or letter. Ra. Many symbols are there. Many matra are. See here. This is also Ra. And this is also Ra. And this is also Ra. Where we have to use the Ra ki matraye. I'll show that. See children, here suppose we have to write kharch, means kha. This is incomplete. Then which matra we have to use for kharch? See children, this is also Ra letter, this is also Ra, this is also. Which symbol we have to use for kharch? This one, kharch. ऊपर ऐसे लगाना. Now it is completed. The second one is cha, ka they have. This is chakra. This is wrong word. Then which matra we have to use for to complete the chakra? See children, this one. Ka down, here you have to put. Now it has been completed. Chakra now. Like this. And the third one is Rashtra. They have given like this. The which matra we have to use to complete the word. See children, here if you put like this is wrong. This one is correct. Ta down, we have to put Ra. The same thing you write like this. You write ta, down you put like this. It will be completed. Understood children? And Pema, they have done. It is incomplete. It is actually frame. Frame. See here, this one symbol, you put it like this, matra. Frame, mal, same. Fifth one, darpan. They have given darpan like this. Then which matra we have to use for this one? Da letter you write same thing. Darp. Arkavatu you give like this. Complete. Like darpan. Next one. Sixth one is metro. They have written, they have given meto. To complete this one, which matra we have to use from these? This one only. Ta down. Metro. Like this, you use Arkavatu letters. Ra letter means Arkavatu, where we have to give. Kharch, see this one. Chakra, see, use this matra to complete. Rashtra, like this matra. Frame, this one. Pa down, here to here. This corner to here. And darpan, pa up. This one. Arkavatu we have to give upon the pa letter. And here metro, ta down, give Arkavattu like this. Now it has been completed. Then we'll go to seventh main. You know ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು सजातीय संयुक्ताक्षर और विजातीय संयुक्ताक्षर दो प्रकार है. संयुक्ताक्षर बनाओ. First one, they have given cha plus cha. See children, bachcha we can write ba cha, chage chavattu. Ottakshara are all are samyuktakshara. Here same ottakshara is there. The same, if it is same means this is sajatiya samyuktakshar. ಒಂದೇ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಚಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. The same cha will continue on. For this we are telling sajatiya samyuktakshar. Vijati means I'll tell. Here ta plus ta. For this we can write patta. Tage tavattu we are giving like this patta. Sajatiya samyuktakshar. Same. Here also same letter, here also same letter. If it is like this means for this we are calling samyuktakshar. Sajatiya samyuktakshar. La, the same letter. Here also same. Li. How to write? Li means lage lavattu. Billi. Same letter. Sajatiya samyuktakshar. See children, here fourth one ka plus sha. This is ವಿಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ. ವಿಜಾತೀಯ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಶಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿಜಾತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಗೆ ಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಬದಲು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಶಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿಜಾತೀಯ samyuktakshar. Then what we have to do? See, kru, shak. We have given kage arkavattu sha letter and ka letter. Here, fifth one. Ta letter is there and here ra. Ra ki matra I taught you how to here. These are all the words. Matra. You take ra 3. Arkavattu I gave. Artrutiya. Ra letter we want, no? You write ra 3. Here, sixth one. भा लेटर प्लस या लेटर, भैया सजातीय भैया, विजातीय संयुक्ताक्षर. Like this you write, children. Here patthar also you can. Patthar. कृषक, like this, children. You understood how to write samyuktakshara banao means like this. Bachcha, patta, vatakshara we have given. The next main is सही अक्षर भरकर समानार्थक शब्द बनाओ. सेवेंथ मेन. सेवेंथ मेन समानार्थक, समानार्थक शब्द. पेज नंबर 3. सेवेंथ मेन बालक. फर्स्ट वन इज बालक. For this we can call bachcha. The second one आसान means the same word, same meaning, सरल. सुलभ also you can write. Third one is lata means bale. In Hindi another one word is the same word is bale. Fourth one जोतने का साधन. जोतने का साधन. Big word this one. The same is हल. Fifth one मेघ means बादल. Sixth one is पानी का जीव. पानी में रहने वाले जीवियों को हम क्या कहते हैं? मछली, अनेक कृमि कीट, ये सब अमीबा, ये सब पानी में इन पानी में रहने वाले जीवों को हम जलचर कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? जलचर. जला मीन्स पानी, चर प्राणी. In the textbook, they have given like this. Mark. Here they have given la letter. The seventh main, same thing. Seventh main only. And here two columns. La. To complete the puzzle box. La means, which word we can use? Here, Lalit. Here, Kamal. Pal. Hal. Saral. Here, Hal. Chal. Like this, you have to complete the box, children. The last, another one main is there. खाली जगह भरो. Eighth main. This is eighth main. खाली जगह भरो. The first one is dash काव काव करता है. करता है. Which one is saying cow cow? The kawa is saying like that. कौवा काव काव करता है. The second one is कबूतर. कबूतर is the answer. कबूतर कैसे बोलता है? गुटर गु करता. The kabutar is making their sound like this, gutar gu. The crow is making, saying cow cow. And murga. Murga means kukuda ku. करता है. Holy, Punja, we are calling in कन्नड मेल मुर्गा कुकड़े को करता है। फोर्थ वन इज कोयल कुकू कूकती हैं। कुहू कुहू कहती है। कोयल कुहू कुहू कहती कूकती है इन हिंदी। एंड फिफ्थ वन इज हाथी आने चिंगाड़ता है। Like this, children. If I give in the test, you write very neatly. Practice very neatly. And last main is 10th main. एक से 50 तक अंकों और शब्दों में लिखो। अंकों मीन्स इन नंबर, शब्दों मीन इन वर्ड। 1 to 50 you write in Hindi, numbers and in words, children. Practice. I have given 1 to 50 to you people. Practice very neatly, learn very neatly for the test. Next month maybe they'll conduct the FA1 test, I think. Practice all those things. Okay, thank you.